Welcome back. E-auction ore from Chogle's Pale mines is stuck in dispute. Plot owners claim miner Chogle company has not paid them the rent for dumping the iron ore in their property. They claim that from past 2 years they are not been paid rent, which accounts to almost 2 crores. They have asked the company and government to pay the rent and then lift the ore. Sankli MLA Pramod Sawant has assured to resolve the issue.
This is the iron ore dump of Chogle company. The dump is lying in Dilip Narvekar and Gangaram Tari's property in Pale Bicholim. The families have asked the company or government to pay the rent and then lift the ore.
Chogle company.
आता काय झालं?
आता ते ई लिला झालो त्याचो आणि ते आता कंपनीच्या मनशाक हाडी नासतना ते भरूंक सोदता.
कोणाच्या प्रॉपर्टी नसता
प्रॉपर्टी तारी आणि नार्वेकर फॅमिली.
आता तुमचं डिमांड किती आता?
आमचे डिमांड रेंट दिले की जालें आमचे चौगुले कंपनीन घातला तो. आणि 5 वर्साचो एग्रीमेंट आहा तेका आणि 3 वर्साचे आमकां दिल्ले आणि 2 वर्साचे आनी दिवपाक जाय आमकां. तो कितें म्हणटा आपूण आतां दिवचो ना म्हणटा. तेन्ना मायनींग बंद जालें न्हू ते आमी जबाबदार ना न्हू तेका. आमी जबाबदार केन्ना आमी कितें फॉल्ट केला फॉल्ट ते करतले ते गव्हर्मेंटान तेजे कडेन हें करून घेवपाक जाय न्हू. आमचे कडल्यान कितें करतले ते.
सो आता तुम्ही डंप काढवा दिवचे ना
तेका म्हणल्यार आमी कितें डंप काडला आमकां कंपनीचो मनीस हांगा येवन सांगपा जाय. आमी दिता काडपाक.
तुमचे पैसे वचून पयलीं मेळपाक जाय.
आमकां खाली पयशेच मेळ्ळे की आमचें काम जालें.
Joint Mamladar of Bicholim Anil Rani, PI of Bicholi Rupendra Shetkar and Sankli MLA Pramod Sawant rushed to Pale Police outpost for an intervention.
त्याचे रिप्रेझेंटेशन मुख्यमंत्र्याक मेळ्ळा आणि मुख्यमंत्र्यान ऑलरेडी प्रॉमिस केला की जो रेंट आसा सप्टेंबर 2012 पासून टिल डेट मटेरियल त्या जाग्यार उरता तोपर्यंत रेंट दिवपा खातीर गव्हर्मेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतले आणि तांकां एक्चुअली गव्हर्मेंट नॉर्म्सा प्रमाणे तांकां रेंट कितें आहा पे न्ही हो गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान मेळोवन दिवपाची जबाबदारी जी आसा म्हाजी आसा तर तांचे रिप्रेझेंटेशन तेंची आसा आनी हांव ते मेळोवन दितलो तांकां रेंट.
Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Crime Branch is likely to file charge sheet in one case out of 14 under investigation cases of Serula Communidade land grab case. In this regard, Crime Branch is in the process to seek sanction from the government to charge sheet accused government officials. Crime Branch has also moved an application before the High Court requesting to allow custodial interrogation of accused Aliston Lobo and Regina Lobo in this case. Crime Branch has almost prepared the charge sheet in one case of Serula Communidade land grab case. As of now, Crime Branch has registered 14 cases in land grab case, but has to wait for government sanction to file the charge sheet as some of the accused in this case are government servants. Crime Branch is in the process to send formal letters to the concerned authority to grant the sanction. Crime Branch has also moved an application before the High Court stating that accused Aliston Lobo and Regina Lobo are not cooperating in the investigation. Crime Branch in its application has also sought custodial interrogation of accused Aliston Lobo and Regina Lobo in this case. Last month, High Court in its interim order had barred Crime Branch from arresting Aliston Lobo and Regina Lobo. Crime Branch contends that both Aliston Lobo and Regina Lobo are key accused in this case. Especially, Regina Lobo has forged many documents as president of Serula Communidade. The High Court will hear this application on Friday. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.